Welcome to our Aetherfall Timebox 5 gameplay walkthrough. My name is Michael Clark, and I will be your guide as we explore the features we've added in the past few weeks. In this main menu, you'll notice we added some background music that persists across all of our main menu scenes, which include volume options, credits, and loading options. We've also included our main logo image to the background of each of these UI scenes. Alright, let's go ahead and start our game. You first enter our galaxy map scene, where you're greeted with our high-level UI layer. When clicking on the leftmost galaxy sector, the UI layer changes to give a more descriptive indication of the sector's contents. You're also able to navigate to other sectors, but since you haven't conquered the first sector, each of these remain unavailable until you've made the appropriate progress to unlock them. Once you exit the Manage Troops additive scene, you can then navigate to your first planet on the node map, where you can select any number of troops assigned to your ship and deploy them to the planet. Navigate back to our first sector, you'll notice a Manage Troops button in the lower right-hand corner. Here is where you'll be able to view specific information about any of your characters in the game, including their class, weapon, level, and current health attributes. This UI also enables the user to assign certain players to ships so that they can be eventually deployed into battle scenes. The main features we added this time box is the presence of obstacle assets that represent a particular biome. Currently, we're in the forest biome, where a procedurally generated map, using our previously discussed quad tree algorithm, places down hazard tiles. From here, predefined obstacle assets can be instantiated on top of these hazard tiles to match the appropriate layout of the map. You'll also notice that there is a random assortment of temporary assets along the border of our game. This is a feature that we've been testing to inhibit the user from seeing too far out to the horizon of our game. These temporary assets can be replaced with trees or buildings to give a more immersive feel. We can also differentiate between short and tall hazard assets on our game tile grid. Short hazards do not restrict a player's ability to shoot an enemy and vice versa. Tall hazards, however, have a built-in collider object that we use when displaying our range indicator. A raycast is sent out from the player to each tile originally in range of the player's weapon, and from here, tiles are removed from your weapon's reach if the raycast intersects with any one of these colliders prior to reaching the respective tile. From here, we can see our player's attack interface. The hit probability, attack damage, and remaining enemy health can be seen from this perspective. When firing on the enemy, we can see the enemy object being destroyed. We can now progress back to our main menu. From here, we'll select two of our players and venture to a different planet. Here you can see our industrial assets populating. We plan on adding a few more biomes to our game, and hope to change the difficulty of each map by varying the size, enemy number, and enemy strength parameters passed to the PCG. That's all for our gameplay demo this time, Box. Thank you all for watching, and we can't wait to show off what progress we've made in our next presentation. See you next time.